This tutorial introduces the DegreeWorks Degree Audit. The Degree Audit gives authorized users a summary of a student's completed and in-progress coursework organized by category. This allows both students and advisors to see what courses are still needed to complete the degree and program in order to better chart progress towards degree completion. Topics for this tutorial include Introduction to the Audit, and the features and options available in the audit header. Once you have accessed DegreeWorks and entered the ID for a student, or selected a group of students using the Find tool as discussed in a separate tutorial, a student audit will be loaded. Some of the options available in the audit and audit header, such as Notes, What If, Look Ahead, Save as PDF, and Print will be discussed in separate tutorials. The arrow on the left-hand menu indicates which of the three left-hand options, Worksheet, What If, or Look Ahead, you are currently viewing. Student View in the Format window tells you that you are viewing the audit as the student sees it. This is always the default format when an audit is loaded. Other available view formats will be discussed in separate tutorials. Clicking on links at the top of the audit can take you to Athens State Online Banner Self-Service or to the Athens State DegreeWorks Help web pages. If you selected a group of students using Find, you can use the Name pull-down to select a different student. And of course, you can always directly enter a new student ID to view a different student, or click on Find to perform a new search for students. The top of the audit contains the basic information about the student: ID, name, degree, primary major, and class level. The Last Audit box tells you the last time a new audit process ran for this student. Student data is refreshed nightly. Unless you're viewing the audit during registration or grade posting periods, the student's data probably has not recently changed. However, if you think data may have changed, you can always click Process New to run a new audit process. If the Last Audit box showed a past date and time before Process New, you will see it change to Today after the new audit is processed. If you want to exclude in-progress and/or pre-registered classes from the audit, you can uncheck the appropriate box and then click Process New. If a student is pursuing multiple degrees, such as a BS and a BA, you can select the audit for the other degree from this pull-down. However, if the student is pursuing multiple majors under a single degree, the information for all the majors will appear in the sections of a single audit, and no additional options will be available in this pull-down. Clicking on Class History opens a pop-up window showing you the classes the student has taken in chronological order. Both transfer and institutional credit are included. Note, this is not an official class transcript, but it can be useful when reviewing a student's classes term by term. The three-column Student Information header summarizes much of the important information about the student. GPAs are rounded to the second decimal place as per institutional policy. If the student has not yet completed any courses at Athens State, the institutional GPA window will appear blank. Likewise, if the student has not yet completed any courses at Athens State, the academic standing window will be blank. And student hold will be blank if the student does not have any current holds. The advisor name is actually a hyperlink. Students can click on the name, which will open an email pop-up and allow the student to send an email to their advisor. The subject line of the email is auto-filled to let the advisor know the email is about the audit worksheet. Likewise, although obscured here, the student name is also a hyperlink, allowing advisors to send an email directly to a student concerning the audit worksheet. This concludes the tutorial introducing the audit and audit header. You are invited to view other available tutorials that will help you make the most out of using DegreeWorks.